afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Jimbo's Garage. Well, today I'm going to be announcing the winners of the 2019 BSX Kit Contest giveaway. But before I do, I want to give a special thanks to Black Stallion for partnering up with me on this project. Black Stallion has been a longtime supporter and sponsor here on the channel. If you're looking for some good high quality welding apparel and accessories, you can check them out at your local welding supply store or Black Stallion at RevGoIndustries.com. All right, so you know this contest is something different, something that I've never done before, and it's very new to me, but I gotta say I had a great time doing it. I really enjoyed each and every one of the responses, your submissions, your photos, your notes, and your letters. It's truly amazing to see how people operate all over the United States and the stuff that they wear. Unfortunately, I can only give 2 winners out, and if I had my way, I'd give everybody a kit, but it just can't be that way. So the winners of the 2019 BSX Kit Contest giveaway are Kevin Whitman from Dansville, New York, and Nick Stramel from Allen, Texas. Congratulations to both of you. I hope you enjoy your kits. I'll get those in the mail to you next week. And also, we're going to be giving away more giveaways later on this year. Stay tuned to the channel for more details on that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for the contest. See you guys next week. All right, one more time, Dan. Here we go.